The devil is a liar. Today, I call out every lie, every curse, and it will be broken over your life in the name of Jesus. I declare every negative utterances, sorcery, and witchcraft be broken in the name of Jesus over your life. We break every generational curses, traumas, and fears in the name of Jesus. Yan ang gustong bunutin ngayon ng Diyos sa buhay natin. Yan ang gustong alisin, tanggalin, totally matanggal sa buhay natin. Kasi yung iba sa atin matagal nating binitbit, naging bound tayo. We were under bondage. But today you can be free in the name of Jesus. Today you can be loosed from every curse in the name of Jesus.